Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best watch link removal tool is probably one of the most useful tools for watch owners, simplifying the process of adjusting watch bands to achieve a perfect fit. Whether you're dealing with a metal bracelet, a complex clasp, or simply need to remove or add links, having the right tool makes all the difference, saving you time, frustration, and potential damage to your expensive watch. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the best watch link removal tool for your needs, ensuring a smooth and efficient resizing experience. Number 5. JOREST Watch Repair Kit. This kit makes watch repairs easy. It has everything you need to adjust or replace watch bands at home. Unlike other kits, it includes a leather strap punch for precise adjustments and improved tools for easier use and durability. Use the metal remover for direct pin removal, or the bracket and hammer for easier pin insertion. Both methods are included for your convenience. Ensure the punch needle aligns correctly with the strap's arrow and the pin hole is aligned with the remover to prevent bending or damage. It's sturdy, portable, and simple to operate, saving you money on professional repairs. Perfect for beginners or as a gift. This high-quality kit includes a user manual with detailed instructions and pictures, guiding you through each step for safe and effective use. What we like. It includes a leather strap punch, unlike others. If you often work with leather straps and need to adjust their length, this is perfect for you. This tool will save you money on professional repairs and is a great gift for DIY enthusiasts. What people say. The JOREST Watch Link Removal Toolkit is really nice, especially for the price. It comes with everything you need to resize watch bands, including the spring bars and pins. The tool feels sturdy and works great for adjusting my watch bracelet. The included user manual is helpful, and the kit is very easy to use. Works fantastic. Does exactly what it says. Ordered a new watch and the band was too big. This kit helped me remove 2 links with no problem. Now it fits perfect. The product comes with adjustment tools for metal and leather watch bands. Everything in the picture comes in a sleek box for easy storage, besides the watch and its bands. The tools I have outside of the box should be enough for the adjustment of most metal watch bands. It comes with a set of easy-to-understand instructions that include pictures. Although it is constructed of plastic, it is well built and will most likely last long. The time it took me to adjust my watch band is similar to what it would take a watch store and was incredibly simple to do. Number 4. Eventronic Watch Repair Kit. This kit has all the essential tools for watch repair. It's perfect for adjusting straps, replacing batteries, and more. From strap adjustments to battery replacements, it handles a variety of watch maintenance tasks. Save money and have fun fixing your own watch. These tools are made from durable stainless steel, built to last and resist rust. They're tough enough for the job. The included case keeps everything organized and easy to transport. No more lost or misplaced parts. We provide an instruction manual and video tutorials. Plus, our customer service team is here to help if you need it. The watch back pry opener is 0.041 inches thick. Keep this in mind when using it. What we like. This kit has everything you need for watch repair. If you're looking for a comprehensive and user-friendly solution for all your watch maintenance needs, this is the one. Its sturdy build ensures it will last through many repairs. What people say. This kit is great accuracy, removes screws, pins, etc. I have a watch collection comprised of about 10 moderately priced watches and a couple of cheaper digital sport watches. They are mostly from Fossil, a few from Guess, etc., none over 150 when I purchased them. With the provided tools, I opened every watch back and photographed the old battery still in the compartment so that I could magnify the photo and see the replacement number I would need to order. Even if you own only one watch, you should have this kit. Screws can get loose, pine can pop out, batteries die. Now with a kit like this, you can fix it yourself. Number 3. MMOBIEL Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit contains everything you need for watch repairs. It's perfect for watchmakers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Easily remove watch bands with the included tools. No more struggling with stubborn straps. This kit makes removing and replacing watch links a breeze. Say goodbye to frustrating adjustments. The spring bar tool ensures precise and safe removal of spring bars. Protect your watch from damage. A durable steel punch is included for added precision and control during repairs. It's built to last. All the tools are neatly organized for easy access and storage. Keep your workspace tidy and efficient. What we like. This kit is designed for precision. If you are a watchmaker or enthusiast who values precision and quality, this tool is your best bet. It's perfect for those who need a reliable and accurate tool for delicate watch repairs. What people say. The instructions were simple to follow and it took about all of 5 minutes to adjust the watch to the correct size. This tool is the slickest thing ever. I had the job done in 1 to 2 minutes. The tools are straightforward to use, even for someone without much experience, and the steel spring pushers made the process smooth and efficient. Number 2. JOREST Watch Repair Kit. This kit makes adjusting your watch strap a breeze. It includes everything you need for a quick and easy fix, saving you time and money. Use the metal remover to take out the pins, and the hammer and holder to put them back in. It's designed for ease of use and efficiency. We've included 13 extra needles to extend the life of your tool. This ensures you'll be able to maintain your watch for years to come. To avoid damaging your watch, double-check the needle direction and alignment before using the tool. The instructions will guide you. The illustrated manual makes it simple to use the kit correctly. You'll be able to repair your watch confidently and easily at home. It comes with a link remover, pin punch, strap replacement tool, hammer, holder, spare needles, spring bars, and a clear instruction manual. Everything you need is right here. What we like. It comes with extra needles and a variety of spring bars. If you need a tool with longevity and a wide range of compatibility, this is the ideal choice. The detailed manual makes it easy to use, even for beginners. What people say. This kit made adjusting my watch band so easy. I removed links from 2 different watches in about 10 minutes on my first try. No frustration, no guesswork. Worked perfect to resize my watch. Was much cheaper than bringing it into a shop and now I can repair my own watches. Seems to be built well and included everything I needed. The design held the watch into places nicely and the screwdriver fit perfectly. The pin removal tool pushed the pins out effortlessly, and I was able to remove a couple of links in under 2 minutes. Number 1. HNS Alliance Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for watch repairs. It's perfect for adjusting watch bands and more. Easily remove and add watch links with the included tools. No more struggling with awkward sizing. This kit includes a specialized tool for safely removing watch backs and pins. It's designed for precision and ease of use. Open watch cases with confidence using the included case opener. It's a must-have for any watch repair job. Adjust your watch strap to the perfect fit. It's simple and easy with this kit's tools. This kit is your one-stop shop for all your watch repair needs. Everything is neatly organized in a convenient case. What we like. This kit is all-inclusive and easy to use. If you are looking for a convenient and comprehensive solution for watch repair, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free experience. What people say. This is a essential for any watch lover. Great tool kit for repairing watches. My son-in-law has found several ways he can use it. It's got a nice case to store the tools in and have every tool you will ever need to open a watch up and tinker with watches. I would 100% recommend if you want to open up your watch and fix something to get this kit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.